about to stay here until about 12. We're gonna make it peaceful. We're gonna make sure it's peaceful.
George Floyd! George Floyd! George Floyd!
To stress that the vast majority and the overwhelming majority of individuals who've been participating in these gatherings have been doing so respectfully and peacefully. But we have experienced over the last 24 hours some individuals who have disregarded the notion of respecting other space and personal safety.
Everybody that's out here, if you can hear my voice, we know who's disturbing the peace. So when you see a young nigga, do not look at him and look funny. Embrace him. Show him that it's love out here. He needs to feel this love out here. Because he the one that's going to tear this up. We want to tear this up, but it can't just be for nothing.
Up there, in front of the home of one of the officers that killed George Floyd. This is where we are. We have an increased police and law enforcement presence out here. We are peaceful demonstrators calling for justice for George Floyd.
Violence begets violence, and more force brings about loss of life and more devastation. And so we have to find a balance here. We have to be able to peacefully protest, but work to protect one another.